Most people think building wealth requires a lot of money. It doesn't. If you invested just $100 per month, you'd put in a total of $36,000, but you'd end up with over $226,000. Not because you picked the next Nvidia, not because you got lucky, and not because you're a financial genius. It's because of one of the most powerful forces in investing, compound interest. And once you understand how it works, you'll never look at investing the same way again. This video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Now, let's get into it. So what actually is compound interest? In year 1, you invest €100 and you earn €10 in returns. In year 2, you earn returns on your $1,200, plus the €10 from last year. In year 3, your returns earn returns. And every single year after that, the snowball gets bigger. The longer you wait to start, the more of that snowball you miss. Time is the single most important factor in building wealth through investing. Now let me show you what €100 per month becomes depending on your annual return. Scenario 1, 7% per year. That is the global bond market average. Conservative, after 10 years, you have $17,000. After 30 years, $122,000. Scenario 2, 10% per year. That is the historical average of the S&P 500. After 30 years, $226,000. Scenario 3, 15% per year. That is closer to a growth ETF like QTUM. After 10 years, you have $27,000. After 30 years, €700,000. Same €100 every month, same 30 years. 3 completely different outcomes. The difference is which ETF you choose. Now here is the part most people never think about. If you start at 25, at 10% per year, by the time you are 65, you have €632,000. If you start at 35, same amount, same return. You have $226,000. And if you start at 45, you end up with $75,000, same €100 every month, same 10% return, same retirement age. The only difference is when you started. Starting 10 years earlier means €400,000 more. For the exact same monthly investment, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. My suggestion for beginners, start with VWCE or CSPX. Add QTUM once you understand what you own. Set up a monthly auto-invest. Every platform has this feature. You set it once, and it invests automatically every month. You do not have to do anything else. The best investors are not the smartest. They're the ones who started. Not financial advice. Always do your own research. If this video gave you something useful, subscribe to The Quiet Investor.